Hello everyone, myself Satish Kalra welcomes all of you in my channel Ultimate Science by Satish Kalra. And students, today we are doing chapter number 1, some basic concept in chemistry of class plus 1. And in my today's video, I will cover the topic atomic mass, molecular mass, relative atomic mass, relative molecular mass, average atomic mass of any element. So let's start our topic atomic masses and molecular masses and relative atomic masses and relative molecular masses. Our first topic is atomic and molecular masses. As the name indicates, atomic and molecular masses means atomic mass being the mass of one atom of any element and molecular mass being the mass of one molecule of any given substance. We know that the smallest particle of any matter is atom, and the atom may or may not exist independently. And it is extremely small in size. So it is not possible to isolate a single atom. Single atom को isolate करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा difficult था. Even we can say that it is impossible or it is not possible. And we can't weigh the mass of any single atom. So therefore, a single atom cannot be weighed. Then what can we do? How can we find out the mass of one atom? So initially, the mass of hydrogen is considered. The mass of hydrogen atom is 1.67 into 10 to the minus 24 gram. This is the mass of one atom of hydrogen element. But as we see that 10 raised to the minus 24, and this value is very much small, and this value is very much smaller even than 1 gram of 1 gram mass. की वैल्यू 1 gram mass से भी बहुत ज्यादा कम थी. So therefore, this value cannot be measured. So in order to solve this problem, इस प्रॉब्लम को सोल्व करने के लिए the scientists have suggested that mass of an atom should be expressed in relative mass. मास कैसे मेजर करना चाहिए? The mass of an atom should be expressed as relative mass. Relative mass means the mass of one atom of any element should be measured by comparing it with a standard value, and that value it should be taken as the standard. So initially we have to fix a standard. So initially what would happen? Then initially hydrogen element was considered by the scientist. And it was considered as standard. In the beginning, hydrogen was chosen as standard because hydrogen is the lightest of all the elements, and moreover, the mass of an atom of hydrogen could be taken exactly as 1 unit. उन्होंने क्या किया? Mass of an atom of hydrogen taken as 1 unit. So according to hydrogen standard के according क्या है? Initially hydrogen standard was chosen. So according to hydrogen standard, what is relative atomic mass? Relative atomic mass of any element is equal to ratio of mass of one atom of given element to the mass of one atom of hydrogen. Or we can say the relative atomic mass of any element is how many times one atom of given element is heavier than the one atom of hydrogen. So relative atomic mass of an element is how many times one atom of given element is heavier than one atom of hydrogen. So वहां क्या कंपैरिजन किया गया कि गिवन एलिमेंट का वन एटम हाइड्रोजन एलिमेंट के वन एटम से कितने गुना भारी है. इट मींस हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट इज हैवियर. So on hydrogen scale, it was measured that atomic mass of oxygen is 16. It means one atom of oxygen is 16 times heavier than the one atom of hydrogen. But there was a limitation. What was the limitation? That many elements do not react with hydrogen. Therefore, hydrogen standard was replaced. Then which standard was chosen? After hydrogen standard, second standard chosen was oxygen standard. Now, we know as per hydrogen standard, it is measured that one atom of oxygen is 16 times heavier than one atom of hydrogen. It was measured by using the hydrogen standard. And why oxygen standard was chosen? Oxygen standard क्यों choose किया गया? Because oxygen element is more reactive than hydrogen. Oxygen element जो है, it is more reactive than hydrogen. Therefore, oxygen standard was chosen. And we know that one atom of oxygen is 16 times heavier than the mass of one atom of hydrogen. So we can say that one atom of hydrogen is 1 by 16 times mass of one oxygen atom. So this value 1 by 16 into mass of one hydrogen atom, this is taken as standard, and relative atomic mass of any element is measured by using this value. So what is the relative atomic mass according to oxygen standard? So relative atomic mass of an element is the ratio of mass of one atom of given element to the this one standard value 1 by 16 into mass of one oxygen atom. And we can say क्या कह सकते हैं? What is the relative atomic mass of an element? It is relative atomic mass of an element is how many times one atom of given element is heavier than standard value क्या है? 1 by 16 into mass of one oxygen atom. So according to this standard, according to oxygen standard, what is the relative atomic mass? We can say relative atomic mass of an element is how many times one atom of given element is heavier than स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू क्या है आपके पास, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में देखेंगे क्या है, 1/16 into mass of one oxygen atom. It is heavier. How many times one atom of given element is heavier than 1/16 of the mass of one oxygen atom. At that time, whenever oxygen standard was chosen, only the oxygen 16 isotope were present. जिस समय ऑक्सीजन को चूज किया गया स्टैंडर्ड के रूप में, उस समय सिर्फ ऑक्सीजन का एक 16 आइसोटोप वाज प्रेजेंट, बट लेटर ऑन oxygen 17 and oxygen 18 isotopes were found. So oxygen standard was rejected. हाइड्रोजन स्टैंडर्ड इसलिए रिजेक्ट किया गया क्योंकि हमारे पास मोस्ट ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स डू नॉट रिएक्ट विद द हाइड्रोजन, देयरफॉर हाइड्रोजन स्टैंडर्ड वाज रिप्लेस्ड बाय ऑक्सीजन स्टैंडर्ड. बट एट दैट टाइम, initially whenever the oxygen standard was chosen, only the oxygen 16 isotope was present, but later on oxygen 17 and oxygen 18 isotopes were found, so oxygen standard was also rejected. And after that a new standard was chosen, and it was decided in a conference in 1961, International Union of Chemistry, and in this conference carbon 12 C12 is used as standard. As per हाइड्रोजन स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से क्या मेजर किया गया था, that one atom of carbon is 12 times heavier than the one atom of hydrogen. So इसके बेस पर क्या होगा, one atom of hydrogen क्या होगा, it is equal to 1/12 into mass of one carbon 12 atom. So this value 1/12 into mass of one carbon 12 atom, this is used as a standard. So what is the relative atomic mass formula? I am writing it RAM, relative atomic mass of any element. It is the ratio of mass of one atom of given element to the 1/12 standard value into this standard value, mass of one carbon 12 atom. But same problem was present in case of carbon also, just like oxygen. Oxygen exists in nature in the form of three isotopes: oxygen 16, oxygen 17, oxygen 18, and carbon also exists in the form of three isotopes: carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. But it is found that in nature carbon 12 exists in nature and its percentage is 98.89%, while the natural abundance of carbon 13 and carbon 14, जो carbon 13 and carbon 14 है, इसकी नेचर में जो abundance थी, it is approximately 1.12%, and this is negligible. The natural abundance, the percentage natural abundance of carbon 13 and carbon 14, this is negligible in comparison to carbon 12. So therefore carbon 12 is regarded as, it is decided as the standard for deciding the relative atomic mass of any element, and this is the standard value, and this is the finally selected standard. So all the relative atomic mass of all the elements are measured by using 1/12 into mass of one carbon 12 atom as standard. This is the value. So as per this standard, we can say the definition of relative atomic mass. So आप क्या कहेंगे, relative atomic mass of any element is how many times heavier than, how many times one atom of given element is heavier than, अब नीचे वाली वैल्यू डिनोमिनेटर वाली 1/12 into mass of one carbon 12 atom. So what is the definition of relative atomic mass? Of an element? What is the actual definition? Because carbon 12, 1 by 12 into mass of one carbon 12 atom, this is being used as a standard from 1961 until now it is being used. So actual definition of relative atomic mass of an element is how many times one atom of given element is heavier than 1 by 12 of the mass of one carbon 12 atom. And this value, 1 by 12 of the mass of one carbon 12 atom, this value is called 1 AMU. 1 AMU क्या है? This is atomic mass unit. 1 AMU, or it is also called 1 U. So 1 AMU or 1 AU, 1 U क्या है? This is 1 atomic mass unit. And it is equal to 1 by 12 of the mass of one carbon 12 atom. So this is the value of 1 AMU. And its value, exact value 1 AMU किसके इक्वलेंट है? आप देखेंगे यदि हम इसे, so 1 AMU जो है, it is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. And it is equal to the mass of one hydrogen atom. So 1 AMU is this one, approximately equal to mass of one hydrogen atom. The mass of one hydrogen atom is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram, and 1 AMU is 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So just equal to the 1 AMU is just nearly equal to the 1 atom of hydrogen, mass of 1 atom of hydrogen. So mass of 1 atom of hydrogen. So वो कितना है हमारे पास? 1.67 into 10 का minus 24 ग्राम, और 1 AMU में क्या है? 1.66. So approximately equal. So this is the relative atomic mass of any element. कि relative atomic mass of an element है क्या? It is how many times one atom of given element is heavier than 1 by 12 of the mass of one carbon 12 atom. कि given element का one atom 1 by 12 of the mass of one carbon 12 atom इससे कितने गुना भारी है? इससे how many times it is heavier? This is the relative atomic mass of any element, and the unit of relative atomic mass of any element is AMU, or it can be also called U. This is the unit of relative atomic mass of any element. This relative word, जो हम ये देख रहे हैं relative word, this relative word comes because it is calculated, the one mass of one atom is calculated by using any reference value or by using any standard value. That's why the word relative word is included, या relative word इसमें साथ में इसलिए ऐड किया गया है. Otherwise it is equal to atomic mass. So यदि हमें आप बात आती है relative atomic mass, it means it is equal to atomic mass. And we know atomic mass of any element, it is equal to mass number of that element. So atomic mass किसके बराबर है? Mass number के. But difference क्या है? The difference is in terms of unit. The mass number has no unit. Mass number का कोई unit नहीं है because it is a number. And atomic mass जो है उसका unit क्या है? AMU. So whenever we say that mass number of sodium, it is 23. Whenever we say atomic mass of sodium, then the value is same, 23, but unit is AMU. And whenever we say relative atomic mass, of sodium, then it is also equal to 23 and unit is also AMU. रिलेटिव वर्ड सिर्फ रेफरेंस के लिए है क्योंकि इसके कैलकुलेशन के लिए हमने कोई स्टैंडर्ड यूज किया, otherwise it is equal to atomic mass. So atomic mass and relative atomic mass both are having same value of any element and mass number has no unit. This is about relative atomic mass of any element. Now relative molecular mass. What is relative molecular mass of any substance? बात करते हैं जिस समय रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास की, इट मींस वन एटम ऑफ गिवन एलिमेंट, और जब बात आती है रिलेटिव मॉलिक्यूलर मास की, इट मींस वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ गिवन सब्सटेंस. सो व्हाट इज द रिलेटिव मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ एनी सब्सटेंस? इट इज सिमिलर डेफिनेशन जस्ट लाइक रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास. सिर्फ चेंज क्या होगा यहां पर इस डेफिनेशन में, यहां हमने क्या करा है, रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास ऑफ एनी एलिमेंट में वन एटम ऑफ गिवन एलिमेंट, और जब हम रिलेटिव मॉलिक्यूलर मास की बात करेंगे तो यहां क्या बोलेंगे, वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ गिवन सब्सटेंस. रिमेनिंग डेफिनेशन इज सेम. सो व्हाट विल से रिलेटिव मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ एनी सब्सटेंस, सो इट इज हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ गिवन सब्सटेंस इज हैवियर देन, बाद वाला स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू सेम, 1/12 ऑफ द मास ऑफ वन कार्बन 12 एटम. So it is relative molecular mass of any substance is how many times one molecule of given substance is heavier than 1/12 of the mass of one carbon 12 atom. And the formula is also same. जैसे हमने यहां फॉर्मूला देखा था, ये हमारे पास फॉर्मूला था रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास का था, उसमें क्या था, ऊपर क्या था, मास ऑफ वन एटम ऑफ गिवन एलिमेंट न्यूमरेटर में. अब यहां पर जब हम रिलेटिव मॉलिक्यूलर मास करेंगे तो रिलेटिव मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ एनी सब्सटेंस, तो यहां वन एटम की बजाय चेंज हो जाएगा मास ऑफ वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ गिवन सब्सटेंस, और डिनोमिनेटर वाली चीज सेम रहेगी, डिवाइड बाय 1/12 इनटू मास ऑफ वन कार्बन 12 एटम. सो फॉर्मूला इज एनी शॉर्ट फॉर्म में रिलेटिव एमएमएम, रिलेटिव मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ एनी सब्सटेंस इज इक्वल टू, न्यूमरेटर में वहां था हमारे पास मास ऑफ वन एटम, अब क्या कहेंगे, मास ऑफ वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ गिवन सब्सटेंस, और डिनोमिनेटर सेम है 1/12 इंटू मास ऑफ वन कार्बन 12 एटम. सो स्टैंडर्ड इज सेम. इट मींस हमें ये देखना है कि गिवन सब्सटेंस का वन मॉलिक्यूल जो है 1/12 इंटू मास ऑफ वन कार्बन 12 एटम है, इससे कितने गुना भारी है, इट इज हाउ मेनी टाइम्स हैवियर. सेम वे से जैसे रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास है, उसका यूनिट क्या है, AMU. द यूनिट ऑफ relative molecular mass of any substance is also AMU, or it is also called U. So AMU क्या है, atomic mass unit. अब बात आती है जैसे रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास के इक्वल था, सेम वैसे रिलेटिव मॉलिक्यूलर मास जो है, इट इज इक्वल टू द मॉलिक्यूलर मास. अब हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, इन द 9th स्टैंडर्ड we have calculated the molecular masses. Suppose we are calculating the molecular mass of H2SO4. So we see that H2SO4 is made up of 3 elements, hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, and hydrogen element के 2 एटम हैं. So molecular mass में क्या होगा, number of atoms into atomic mass plus sulfur के 1 एटम है, 1 into atomic mass of sulfur is 32 plus oxygen के 4 एटम है, 4 into 60. So 2 plus 32 plus 64 equal to 98. The unit is same, AMU. So the molecular mass of H2SO4 is 98 AMU. If I say relative molecular mass of H2SO4, just like atomic mass, जैसे atomic mass and relative atomic mass दोनों सेम थे, वैल्यू सेम थी, सेम बेसी यदि रिलेटिव मॉलिक्यूलर मास की बात करें, देन इट्स वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू मॉलिक्यूलर मास. सो मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ H2SO4 कितना है? 98 mu. तो यहां भी क्या होगा? 98 AMU. So just relative word is added because this value is calculated by using any standard reference. या हम स्टैंडर्ड को यूज करके हमने इसे वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट किया, इसलिए रिलेटिव वर्ड जुड़ा है. अदरवाइज रिलेटिव मॉलिक्यूलर मास और मॉलिक्यूलर मास दोनों की वैल्यू सेम है. So these are the two terms: relative atomic mass, relative molecular mass, and they are equal to the atomic mass and molecular mass. Now, one more term. Average atomic mass of any element. What is called average atomic mass and where this term is used? कि एवरेज एटॉमिक मास कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं या क्या होता है एवरेज एटॉमिक मास? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिस टर्म इज एप्लीकेबल in case of that element whose isotopes are present in nature. And we know what are isotopes. These are the atoms of same element which are having same atomic number but different mass number. तो जिस एलिमेंट के आइसोटोप नेचर में एग्जिस्ट करेंगे तो उस एलिमेंट का हम क्या निकालेंगे? दैट इज कॉल्ड एवरेज एटॉमिक मास. नाउ हाउ इट इज कैलकुलेटेड? सो व्हाट इज द फार्मूला ऑफ एवरेज एटॉमिक मास ऑफ एनी एलिमेंट? ध्यान दीजिएगा. एवरेज एटॉमिक मास ऑफ एनी एलिमेंट इज इक्वल टू atomic mass of first isotope into its percentage natural abundance. कि नेचर के अंदर वो आइसोटोप कितना परसेंट पाया जा रहा है, प्लस atomic mass of second isotope into its percentage natural abundance plus so on, divide by, we know the sum of percentage natural abundance. परसेंटेज जब बढ़ रहा है तो पूरा सम क्या होगा? इट इज इक्वल टू 100. सो इसमें 100 से डिवाइड करना है. सो दिस इज द फार्मूला ऑफ फाइंडिंग आउट द एवरेज एटॉमिक मास ऑफ एनी एलिमेंट. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट विद वन एग्जांपल. फॉर एग्जांपल, we know example. We have studied that atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 AMU. How this value 35.5 AMU? How this value comes in fraction or in decimal? But at some places we have studied that atomic mass of chlorine is 35. And at some places we have studied that the atomic mass of chlorine is 37. Then why it is 35.5? This is the average atomic mass. And how this average atomic mass is calculated? की वैल्यू आई कहां से? अब देखिएगा इसे. We know chlorine element exists in nature in two isotopes. One is chlorine 35. Second one is chlorine 37. The atomic number is same. दोनों का atomic number 17 है. In nature, chlorine exists in the form of chlorine 35 and its percentage natural abundance is 75%. And in the form of chlorine 37, it is present in nature in the as 25%. So क्लोरीन 35 के रूप में 75% प्रेजेंट है नेचर में और 37 के रूप में 25% प्रेजेंट है. Then how the average atomic mass of chlorine is calculated? We know what is the formula of average atomic mass. Atomic mass of first isotope, जो फर्स्ट आइसोटोप है उसका atomic mass into its percentage natural abundance plus atomic mass of second isotope into its percentage natural abundance plus so on, इस तरह से चलता जाएगा, divide by 100. So as we see that chlorine exists in nature in two isotopes, 35, 37. Percentage natural abundance of chlorine 35 is 75%, and percentage natural abundance of 37 chlorine 37 is 25%. So atomic mass of first isotope, this is 35, into its percentage natural abundance 75, plus atomic mass of second isotope is 37, into its percentage natural abundance is 25. आप देख रहे हैं सिर्फ दो ही आइसोटोप थे, इसलिए और नहीं आएगा, डिवाइड बाय 100. अब हम इसे सोल्व करेंगे. 35 into 75, this is 2625 plus 925 divided by 100. This is 3550 divided by 100, and it is calculated 35.5 AMU. So the average atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 AMU. तो जो हम बात कर रहे थे यहाँ पर एटॉमिक मास ऑफ क्लोरीन की, तो ये 35.5 इस तरह से निकाला है एवरेज एटॉमिक मास के फॉर्मूले से.
Hope you learned a lot from my video. If you like my video, then you can share my video and you can subscribe my channel Ultimate Science by Satish Kalra. Thanks a lot.